On today's project is, as you guys know, I replaced the transmission and I did the input seal for the front for the motor, from the trans to the motor, but I didn't do the axle ones right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get those out today and install seals that are gonna go in to the caps. So let's go ahead and get cracking. We got my buddy Joaquin here today. He's giving me a hand. He actually has a split bus that he's restoring, and he's helping me do the axle seals. And yeah, you can, when you have an expert available to help you out, you kind of let the expert do it and teach you. So he's wiping away all the grease. Secured the axle to the left there, as you can see. She's popping off the cap. And so there's a seat clip there that has to be removed. As you can see, that's what he's working on now.
Yeah. And then you just gotta slowly, and that's it. Okay, we got lucky. See?
Alright, there we go. And then now that exposes
Clean that up.
There it goes. It's almost out from the top. Yeah. This is the seal that came out of it. And this is the seal that they sold me to go in it. And as you can see, it's a lot larger. But it appears to be fitting, so Jack believes that it could work. So we're doing it now.
The seal works here. You see it? We got new seal. Show me the new seal. We put the new seal. It's gonna work all
The entire.
You see?
All right. So it looks like
We gotta clean here very good, and that's it.
All right. So let's get that done. All right. So he's putting the new seal back in. Yep. Put a little bit of grease on there.
Just a little bit, enough.
Covers in for the seal. So far, so good. I mean, like Jack said, the seal would actually fit in there. So we'll see. Hopefully that it does work. Gonna make sure it sits flush so it doesn't pop out. That's all it. So now we just have to put the axle back on. All right, there we go. So it's all done. Axle's back in. Taking it for a test drive. And Jack really helped me out today. We took it for a drive. Running great. Leak is gone. So up next is he recommended that I change the oil in there in the transmission. So that's next.